Now on sale at Edwin Long's in Newtownards. Here we have this little Toyota Yaris. This vehicle was first registered February 2019. It's an Icon and an Icon Tech, so there's a number of other features. So just for a few minutes I can just show you around it. It's finished in Newtownards grey. It has these 15-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. This particular car has only covered 300 miles and is totally as new as you would expect. Inside it has the optional extra tailored carpet mats. It has the two-tone upholstery. It has the automatic transmission with the paddle shifters on the gearbox, air conditioning, etc. This particular vehicle, being rare just in the automatic, just makes it that wee bit unique. Front and rear parking sensors, and in the boot here we have a good sized boot, and also a spare wheel comes standard with them as well. So as you can see, the paintwork is completely immaculate, and great wee car, and good savings over the price of a new one. Then just inside, show you a few features. As you can see, there's only 358 miles on this car. It has satellite navigation and also DAB radio, Bluetooth, etc., and then also reversing camera then as well. This wee car is just in through the door and is now on sale, and we don't expect it to sit too long with that sort of miles on it and that sort of specification. For more details, give us a call or look online, and we'll give you more information about it. There's finance packages available, and also if you'd like a little test drive, there's no problem. Okay, thank you.